Hi everyone, what I have today is a UCEM. I think it's for a mortar store lock, and it was given to me by a friend from work who's just changed the locks out of his property in Portugal. And what I did notice, this one is 6 pins, this is the external and this is the internal part, and it only has 3 pins in it. So maybe they just thought, well, I don't need as much security from the inside going out. There's the button on the key. And when I got the lock, it was black rotten. So I took it apart, cleaned it up, and I think I replaced, I think it was 2 or 3 standard driver pins, as the lock was sticking quite a lot. So now the lock works absolutely fine, and hopefully we can pick this and we'll take a look to see what's inside. We'll be using a Z-bar. Well, it's not a Z-bar, it's a double-ended tension tool. That's the Z-bar, but I won't be using that. And I'll be using a flat flag. Looking for a binder. Got a little click out of, that was 2 there. Got a little click out of 6. That was pin 4. Little click out of 3. We have gone into a full set. That was pin 1. 2, 3, nothing. 4, nothing. Pin 5, again counter rotation. I think we've got that. I've touched on pin 1. So pin 1 must have been the gatekeeper. It dropped down, I think it was only once there, twice maybe. But there you have it. And let's take a look inside. Got the tension tool stuck in there. I do have a key, so I will lock it up so I don't take my fingers off. All standards. The key pins, as I say, I have had this apart when I was cleaning it. Still could do with more cleaning, but hey ho. Dump these out, take them. As I say, these are all standards. And I don't know whether anybody has missed it, but Andy Mack and Boggy have been doing a sort of a prize draw to help Rev, who is part of the lockpick community. And I will leave a link in the description below to that, so if anybody has missed it, then they can go over and take a look and hopefully help out a fellow member in a time of need. any little bit of contribution would help. As I say, I will leave a link of that in the description. Got a spool in one. Standard in two. Spool in three. All the springs are the same. Standard in four. Get the last two from the back. Standard in six. And a spool in five. So there you have it. That is the UCEM. I think it's for a mortise lock, as I say. A deadbolt type. Picked and gutted, and we had 3 spools, 3 standards. A fun little pick, and as I say, that's only got 3 in, so half the work. And I don't think that had any security pins in it whatsoever. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you can pop over to Andy Mac's channel, and as I say, I will leave a link in the description below. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye for now.